Today we are making an easy origami mouse, perfect for Halloween or any other time of year as well. Because origami is essential. Let's get started. Start by folding your paper in half diagonally. And same through the other diagonal. Then open it up. And we're going to fold this edge into this diagonal line. My cat just scrunched my origami paper. Anyway, we do the same on the other side. Then open it up and do the same but in the other direction. So it was like this. Now we're going to do it this way into the middle line. And same on the other side. Now, keep one hand holding this side down and we're going to just move this point, so pushing this around, and then this bit goes flat like that. And that lets us move this piece around over there and over there, like that. Isn't that cool? And we do the same on the other side. Hold this side down, gently push this bit around, and then we can fold it flat, like that. We're going to fold this edge into this middle line like this. So just up, and there we go. This becomes one of the ears. We're going to do the same on the other side. So this edge, fold it in to that middle line like that. And that will become another ear. Now turn the whole thing over. And we're going to fold this point back over this way. About that. So it's about halfway between here and here. That's roughly where you want it to go. Then we're going to fold this corner along this line here. So from the middle to that corner like this. And then same on the other side. So this point is folded over between this here and that corner there. This is the mouse's nose. Now fold it in half this way. Next, I'm going to fold in the tail. So to do the tail, open it up a little bit, push this down, then try and close it again. So as this part of the tail folds the other way. I'll show you this from a few different angles. So from here, just close it again. I'll show you from the side. It was here. Push it in. So push it in. So it's folding in the other direction. And then close it again. And from this side, push it in there. And then close it again. And before you fold it down tightly, we want the tail to be pointing straight down and just pulling it back about there. We're going to do the same thing, but in the opposite direction. So open this bit up. We're going to fold it back up. There. I'll show that one more time. So it was down like this. We're going to fold it back upwards and then squash it down again. Now this tail looks a bit too big to be a mouse's tail, so we need to make it smaller. So if we come back into here, we're going to fold this edge into the middle. And this edge into the middle. There we go. The final step is to pop open the ears a little bit. So with your ears, make sure they were folded like that and then like that, so there's that little bit poking up. We're going to fold this top bit back. Again, it doesn't matter exactly. You can make bigger ears or smaller ears. I'm just going to fold that back. Now we're going to gently push some pressure on there and push it so as it stays open. Same on the other side. So mine ran the wrong way. I need to fold that in and fold that in. Then we fold the ear back. There. And your mouse is complete. Subscribe to see some more origami tutorials and a bit of book folding. Remember, origami is essential.